Good morning, friends. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Bhandaraj Mode, Dosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Today's my topic is antenna. In previous video, we will discuss about antennas types and properties of antennas. Now we will discuss next different types of antennas and their properties. So an antenna is mainly used as a metallic device for radiating or receiving radio waves, which is basically used for transmitting signals. Transmitting antenna is used to transmit information, and the receiving antenna is used at receiver end to receive signal. The guiding device or transmission line, which is in the form of coaxial line or hollow pipe and is used to transmit electromagnetic energy from the source to antenna. In addition of receiving or transmitting energy in advanced wireless system is usually required to optimize or accelerate the radiation energy in some direction and suppress it in others. Thus, the antenna must also serve a directional device in addition to probing device. For wireless communication system, the antenna is one of the most critical components. A good design of antenna can improve overall system performance. So, antennas convert current to wave. An antenna is a device that converts a time varying electrical current into a propagation electromagnetic waves. Since current has to flow in the antenna, it has to be made of a conductive material. So antennas are a conductive material, which device that converts a time varying electrical current into a propagating electromagnetic waves. And since electromagnetic waves have to propagate away from the antenna, it needs to be embedded in a transparent medium. Antenna can also work in reverse, converting incoming in EM waves into an AC current. That is, they can work in either transmit mode or receive mode. Antenna need electrical circuits in order to drive an AC current in the antenna so that it can produce an outgoing EM waves, or in order to detect the AC current created in the antenna by an incoming waves. The antenna must be connected to an electrical circuit. Often, people draw illustration of antenna that are simply floating in space, unattached to anything. Always remember that there need to be a wire connecting the antenna to a circuit. Bugs also have antenna, but not the kind we care about. The word antenna comes from the Italian word for pole. Marconi used a long wire hanging from a tall pole to transmit and receive radio signals. So, first antenna is made by Marconi. Is a long tower. There are many different types of antenna. Omnidirectional antenna designed to receive or broadcast power more or less in all directions. Although no antenna broadcast equally in every direction. So omnidirectional antenna is most important. Directional antenna designed to broadcast mostly in one directional. This is directional antenna on radiate only in one direction. But the omnidirectional antenna designed more or less in all direction. Example of omnidirectional antenna type used for receiving radio or TV broadcast. Yagi Udio antenna is omnidirectional antenna. And automotive VP antenna and rubbish air, and this is directional antenna, parabolic dish antenna, pyramidal horn antenna. So these are the example of omnidirectional and directional antennas. Why is there no such thing as a perfectly omnidirectional antenna? Suppose there was one, consider a large sphere center on this hypothetical antenna. Everywhere on the surface of this sphere there would need to be a non-zero tangential electric field vector. But this cannot happen. It is impossible to completely cover the surface of a sphere with a continuous tangential vector field that has no zeros. This is known as the Hairy-Ball theorem. There is no non-vanishing continuous tangent vector field on a sphere, or you cannot comb a hairy ball flat without creating at least one colleagues. Accelerating charge. Accelerating charge radiation electromagnetic waves are E in terms of RT equals to QA sin theta upon 4 pi epsilon node R C square. This is true where the charge are around inside atoms, like that. Is a main theorems applied in antennas is the reciprocity theorem. Is ERT equals to QAT sin theta 4 pi epsilon node RC square. Note that the radiated electric field is proportional to the acceleration of the charge. Radiated electric field is proportional to the acceleration of the charge. Since Maxwell equations are linear when a charge acceleration given rise to a field, the same field can induce the some acceleration. Acceleration is AT equals to ERT 4 pi epsilon node RC square upon Q sin theta. Antenna reciprocity. A receiving antenna's properties are identical to the transmitting properties of the same antenna which it is used as a transmitter. So antenna reciprocity, a receiving antenna's properties are identical to the transmitting properties of the same antenna when it is used as a transmitter. This includes everything about the antennas, like that antenna gain, radiation pattern, radiation resistance, polarization and bandwidth. Is this antenna transmit mostly in one particular direction, so directional antenna is also receive mostly from that same direction. It's an example of reciprocity theorem. So we don't need to keep saying transmit or receive. We can talk about just one mode since the other one is the same in reverse. In an antenna, charging current give rise to radiated electromagnetic waves. Obviously, the many different possible antenna geometries give rise to many different radiation fields due to the different spatial distribution of charging current. We need to treat a simple case first. The horizon dipole, length of the antenna. So this is connection for an antenna. Electrical connection for driving current in the antenna. So These are the properties and that's the different types of antennas we introduce here. Antennas plays a very important role in communication system. By a definition, an antenna is a device used to transfer an radio frequency signal which is traveling on a conductor into an electromagnetic waves in free space. Antenna demonstrate a component known as reciprocity, which means that an antenna will maintain the same characteristics while transmitting or receiving the data. So an antenna must have same frequency band of the radio system to which it is connected. When a signal is transmitted into an antenna, the antenna will emit radiation distribution in space in a certain way. A geographical representation of the relative distribution of the radiated power in space, it is called radiation pattern. So what are the need of an antenna? So there are several different reasons for to explain that we need a why we use antenna. But the most important reason to use antenna is that they provide a simple way to transfer signal or data from sender part to receiver part where other methods are impossible. For example, take the case of an aeroplane. The pilot needs to frequently communicate with the ATC personnel. Wireless communication is the only feasible option to communicate, but antennas are the gateway for the communication. There are many situations or applications where cable are preferred over wireless communication with antenna, like high speed Ethernet or the connections between gaming console and the TV, for example. So main basic characteristics are used in antennas. These are antenna radiation pattern, radiation intensity, directivity and gain, radiation efficiency and power gain, input impedance and effective length, and bandwidth, effective aperture and antenna polarization. So this is the antenna. An antenna is a device to transmit and the receive electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are often referred to a radio waves. Most antennas are resonant devices which operate efficiently over a relative narrow frequency band. An antenna must be tuned to the same frequency band as the radio system to which it is connected. Otherwise, reception and transmit to be impaired. What is V, what is dipole, what is embedded omni, what is Yagi. So V, the same vertical portion of the antenna assembly acting as the radiator of the radio frequency. This is called V. What is GPS? Active GPS antenna include an amplified circuit in order to provide better reception of the satellite signal. This active state generally include a low noise amplifier and a power amplifier. Combi GPS or cellular structure includes several antennas in one radome to allow reception and transmission in different frequency bands. What is dipole? An antenna usually half wavelength long, split at the exit center of the connections to a feed line. Dipole are the most common wire antenna. Length is equal to half of the wavelength for the frequency of operation feed by coaxial cable. Sleeve dipole are realized by the addition of a metallic tube on a coaxial structure. Printed dipoles have a radiation structure supported by a printed circuit. What is embedded omni? Embedded omni antennas are generally integrated on a base for applications such as access point. This structure could be externally mounted or directly integrated on the PC board of the system. Yagi, a directional gain antenna utilizing one or more parasitic elements. A Yagi consists of a boom supporting a series of elements which are typically aluminum rods. So these are the properties of the antenna. So thank you for watching my video. Thanks to all.